Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Google Pay verification failed. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of ways you can simply go ahead and try to fix it. I'm going to go ahead and give you 10 ways to do it. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If that doesn't work, the number 2 step you want to do is verify your card detail. You want to simply go ahead and make sure that the card number, expiry date, CVV, and names are entered correctly. If that is not the case, simply re-enter your card details carefully. The other thing you want to do is also go ahead and allow SMS permissions to your Google Pay application, which is required in order to read verification SMS. Always ensure that your SIM is active because you're going to be receiving SMS through that. Again, if that is not the case, you might have incorrect settings on your date and time. You want to simply go ahead and put it to time zone on auto. So that way it is not going to cause any verification failures. The other thing you want to do is check if there are any updates available for Google Pay on your App Store or Play Store. And then once you've simply updated it, it is not going to go ahead and cause any problem. Your bank service may also be down. You might need to simply go ahead and call them and ask for it. Or you could also try to go ahead and retry your verification. Don't request OTP multiple times, just 1 or 2 times should be fine. If none of it works, you might want to simply clear your cache on your phone or even restart your device. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.